Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create story in Jira Kanban board. So here you can see I have this Kanban board right here, and in order to create the story in Kanban board, we have to click on this plus icon. In case if you don't have the option backlog, just like me, click on backlog and click on add to navigation. Now backlog page will be added here. So now we just need to click on no thanks here, and right here is the option to add story or create story. So we'll just click on create and type whatever you like, something. I'll just type here delete unwanted folders. Once you create or type the story, click on this drop down and click on manage types, and here you'll see the option add work type. So we have to click here and just set this on story, click on add. Now we can just get back from these options, again get back to the main window. Now here you can see the backlog is empty. It means that we have to type that again. So what I have typed was delete unwanted files. Okay, and you can just set the story from this drop down, which we have added the story option. Once you do that, just here we have to select this and hit enter, and your story will be added here. So if I click on this story, you will see further options like description and all the details. You can just fill according to your need. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can create story in Kanban board. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.